सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Saral, you are scared of plastic insects.
Mummy, Didi is troubling me again.
You easily get scared. That's why I love to play prank on you.
When someone plays a prank on you, that time you'll understand.
But I will not get scared because I am not coward like you.
Okay, I agree I'm a coward.
Means you are accepting that you are a coward.
Mummy! Mummy, can I go out to play with my friends for some time?
Okay, but see that you are not very late. And yes, please buy milk packet while coming, okay?
Okay, Mummy, I'll get it. Toot 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 toot. Rohan? Rohan?
You are such a big coward. I lost the bet only because of you.
See? What I told you? He will get scared. Now you have to give both of us an ice cream treat.
Fear, a word which is connected in everyone's life. And you know, my friends, sometimes it is seen that it conquers one's life and they start fearing a lot. They don't use their brain in difficult situations, because of which people start using them and take advantage, or else they'll make fun of them. Same as what happened with Saral here.
Yes, I'll come tomorrow. Surely. Okay, bye. What happened? Saral? What happened? Why didn't you bring milk? What happened? Okay. Again, neighbor's kid played prank on you, right?
Why does everyone behave like that with me? I was quietly coming with the milk packet, but my friends pretended to be a ghost and scared me. I dropped the milk packet because of that. Sorry, mummy.
No worries. I'll make those kids understand not to play pranks with you, okay? Now you both get fresh. Come on, let's have dinner together, okay? Come on, Surbhi.
You take him with you. I will just join you.
Okay, come on. Come, Saral, come.
Mummy, please get up. I want to go to the washroom.
So go, no?
Mummy, I'm scared. Please come with me.
Okay. Why you have to get scared in your own house? Come on. Go.
Mummy! No, nothing. I was just checking. Please don't go away.
I'm standing here. Saral? Saral? Saral, get up, son. Saral, get up. Come on, get up, Saral.
Oh, let me sleep, Mummy. Today I have a holiday.
So what if it's a holiday? You're going to sleep throughout the day? Your papa wanted to talk to you, but you were not awake?
What? Papa had called today? Then why didn't you wake me up?
I tried a lot, but you were not ready at all to move, son.
When is Papa coming back?
After 10-12 days.
I had asked Papa to get me a guitar. Maybe he wanted to ask something. That's why he would have called me.
It's okay. He'll call back again. Now come on, you get fresh quickly. Today I am going to make aloo parathas for you.
Wow, Mummy, aloo parathas.
Yes. And after that, we have to pack our bags. Papa informed that after 5-6 days, we can shift to our new home. He has made all the arrangements there.
Wow, Mummy, our new house. I'll freshen up quickly.
Good boy.
Mummy! 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 Mummy!
Now, what happened to him?
What
Mummy,
happened?
Mummy, I saw a ghost there.
Where's the ghost?
Mummy, I'll show you. Mummy,
Listen,
I swear.
son.
Mummy, this side. I'll show you a ghost with long hair. I'll show you this side.
Show me where it is. Surbhi, how many times I must have warned you not to play prank on him? But why don't you understand?
But Mummy, I have not played any prank. He himself gets scared on small things. His name should be changed from Saral to Coward Mouse.
Surbhi? Saral? Saral? Saral, listen. Saral? Saral, listen to me. Saral, my son, listen to me. Saral? It's okay, son. Don't mind. Surbhi is your sister, right?
I know you are just trying to pacify me. The fact is, you know very well that I am a coward.
No, son. And do you know, Saral? In reality, fear doesn't exist at all. It's all in our brain. And we think it's there. For example, if in a dark place and suppose a rope fall on us, then we immediately think that it's a snake. And even for a single second, we don't give a thought that it might be a rope too. But our brain signals that it's a snake, and then we get scared. And when we see it in a light, we laugh on our own foolishness. Am I right? Similarly, and if you quietly and calmly observe, understand, and then react in any situation, then no one can scare you, my son. You get scared, that's why everyone plays prank on you. And if you react to any situation with full confidence and alertness, then no one can dare to scare you. Am I right?
To make someone understand is an art, and mothers are considered best in this. Mothers with love, pamper, and sometimes with strictness make her child understand. But her teachings are completed only when the child puts her lessons in action and uses them well in life.
Is it your birthday today? Then why are you roaming with a lit candle? Now no one can scare me. Now I first observe the situation, understand it, and then I react to it. Now no one can scare me. So don't make a fool of yourself. And yes, don't play such pranks with me again, because next time you try doing this again, you will fall flat on your face. And those two? And yes, where are your partners in crime?
Hey, what happened to him suddenly?
How did Nobita turn into a Doraemon?
Yes, we shifted to our new house. It's all mess here now. And slowly we are unpacking everything. And yes, you come as soon as possible. It's been too long now. We are waiting. Okay, see you then. Bye. Surbhi, you just take charge here. Hall floor is very, very dirty. I'll just clean it and come.
Didi, do you know what? Teacher taught us about electric conductor, semiconductor and non-conductor and has asked to make a project on it. She has explained in detail. Will you please help me to make a project on this?
Okay, we'll do it. But first cleaning.
There is so much work to do. And God knows when will the maid come. I'm tired doing all this work. This is so dirty. Oh God.
Namaste, madam.
Who's that?
Madam, supervisor sir has sent me for cleaning purpose.
Oh, yes. I was waiting for you since morning. Listen, this floor is too dirty. You first clean this. Remaining I'll tell you later. See that you clean this. It's urgent.
Okay, madam.
What happened?
Mummy, 1 minute. There might be electric current in the water.
Saral? Oh. Saral?
Be careful.
Saral, slowly. Careful. Come on, let's pick her up. Hey, let's pick her up. Come on, let's pick her up. Hey, I can't find her heartbeats.
Didi, do you remember the first aid they taught you in the camp?
Yes. In cardiac stroke, they give first aid only. 1 minute. Let me try. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wake up! Wake up! Come on! Get up! Get up! Get up! Slowly! Get up! Get up! Come on! Try to get up! Come on! Slowly! Today, if something would have happened to her, we would have been in trouble.
Yes, Mom. If Saral would have not analysis situation immediately, then even we might have to go to the hospital.
Thank you, Saral. Today, because of your efforts, you not only saved Maid's life but ours too. To observe the situation, understand it, and then react. These things I had taught you, my son. But in such a situation, I forgot my lessons. And whatever Surbhi has done, after knowing what to do in this situation, she couldn't have done it if you would not have reacted immediately. I'm really proud of you, my son.
Me too, Saral.
So did you see, friends? Saral was a coward child before until he turned into a brave one. The only thing required was his will to overcome his fear. The lessons which Saral's mother taught him to stop him from getting scared of few little things. He understood the lesson very well. And Saral saved the day for everyone. So it is important for us to destroy our fears and become completely fearless.